Our chart master for today is Andrew Keene with KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, how are you?
Give me the name of this shop. It opened 50 years ago in a little town called Rogers, Arkansas. Can you tell me the name?
Walmart.
Oh, became one of the largest companies in the world. It's been a lot of great run for investors. In fact, the stock up more than 30% in the last year. How have you been trading this of late?
I actually haven't been playing it lately, but I did put a position on, and it's actually a bearish position. It's to August, and it's a good risk versus reward play. I played it through the options. Walmart is on fire, like you just talked about, Bill. It's up over 30% year over year. It's actually up 14% since May. It did have report good earnings in May. I think anytime it pulls back is a buying opportunity. However, I'm looking at it at a longer term chart, and I see it hitting the $70 level that it hasn't traded since 1999, believe it or not. So it's hitting the $70 level. I think it will pull back a little bit. I bought the August 67.5 62.5 put spread. So basically I'm buying a put spread. The most I can lose is what I paid for it. I paid 80 cents. It can be worth $5. So when I trade counter trend, which means against a trend, because Walmart's trend is higher, 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 I'd like to make sure I have a good risk versus reward. I think it could pull back to 61 to 63, but I'd be a buyer down there.
Okay, well, let's talk about another classic American success story for both the founder and investors, and this was McDonald's. Ray Kroc was the man in this case. Quarterly numbers came out on Friday, not looking quite as strong right now. What is your look at this stock?
Yeah, I mean, McDonald's was so strong for so long. It got up to 102.50, and now the trend's been broken. It looks very, very strong. Now it looks pretty weak. It's under all the moving averages. All the moving averages, the 50, the 100, 150, and 200, all around $93. As long as McDonald's stays under $93, then I think it will go lower. I think it will have weak earnings. We saw Nike report weak earnings on, slowdown in Western Europe. In the global growth story, Nike had poor earnings, so I think McDonald's might report poor earnings as well. Their same-store sales hasn't been that good. I think the trend has flipped for McDonald's. I think the trend is now to the downside. If it gets up to this 92, 93 level, I'll be looking to get shorted.
And they have a new CEO as well. Do you read anything into that?
I haven't read too much into that yet, but that's something I'm going to look forward to. Thanks for reminding me, Bill.
Okay. Andrew Keene with KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Thanks so much.
Thank you.